Okay, so one mistake I just made was I have to actually save a copy of these. So I ungrouped this to get the holes back, and I will select just the hole shapes. Is it possible for me to click just on those with the Shift key? Yes. And I copy and paste, and I can move those over here. And I can move this over here. Oh, nope, because now what I need to do is just select these three shapes, group them again to cut the hole back out. Yes. All right, last thing, I can just leave these over here for now, is I take my inner ring, I take these two shapes, I select them together, I make them solid again, and I can just move that in to make it tighter. And let's see how close that is. Not very close, okay. So I am just going to move that back in. All right, and as we were doing before, I'm just going to try to center it perfectly by, yeah, that looks good. And then the other side. Right, I'm hitting the F key again. All right, that can be centered a little better. I think that's it. Very good. And so I'm going to once again, for the last time, grab these, copy and paste, make them into holes. And let's see, we want to cut them out of the red thing. So let's do that. Hitting F. And I'm going to go 1 and 2. And nope, I'm going to go 1 and I'm holding Shift to get 2, and then I'm going to move that over. Okay. And I'm centering it. Does this look like it's pretty well centered? I like that. Okay, so I'm just going to put these a little deeper into the wall. Oops. There we go. And I'm just moving that a little deeper in. And this can go a little more too. Great. And so this will get, so this would be another 90-degree move, which is a good choice. Oh, and actually it cuts all the way out. I think that's all right. I don't think the thing would actually stick out too much. Okay. So I'm just going to group those together, and that will cut out. I guess we wouldn't want to go any more than that because it would start slicing out of the thickness of the ring. Okay, now we need to center everything. This gets centered with this. Then this piece gets centered here, except the pins are going the other way, so it's got to be 90 degrees. And then I guess if we rotated that one, we also have to rotate this one 90 degrees. Oh, no, undo. Gosh, undo is your best friend, even when you are experienced. I forgot to group that one. Okay, and so the only thing left is to rotate it 90, put this here. These pieces will all be born together, so to speak, on the printer. The only thing is we have to center them perfectly. So I'm going to zoom in here. I'm going to try to center very quickly on one of these cross points. Exactly. That is good. And each one gets centered right on that spot. And that's it. And it will print all together.